Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you a few things you can do to make your laptop a little bit faster. In this case I have the Asus ExpertBook. So the first thing I'll recommend you to do is to right click on your Windows icon and go to install the apps. And here uninstall any apps that you're not using. And now press on find setting and find startup apps. And these are the apps that are starting when you start up your laptop, and they're running in the background. And I would recommend you to disabling almost all of them. Just leave the necessary ones if you need them. Now go to System, go to Storage, and enable the storage settings. This setting will automatically delete all temp files. You may recall the %temp% folder, and the folder will be automatically cleaned, so it will be kept fresh. Now again press on the right click on your Windows icon and go to Power Options, and here make sure that the power mode is set to best performance, and this really makes a difference, so this is a must, to be honest. Now open your File Explorer, click on this PC and right click on your hard drive, press Show More Options, go to Properties, and now if you go to Tools you will be able to optimize your disk right here and perform an error check. So I recommend you to do both of these options. You are facing some storage problems as well. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.